What if your phone buzzed with a payment notification every single day from a system you set up once for free? Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. I'm showing you exactly how right now. Most beginners spend weeks trying to figure out what to sell online. They plan, they research, they never start. The problem isn't effort, it's that they're doing it without AI. Here's the shift. 3 free AI tools. Each one handles one job. Connected together, they form a system that works every hour of every day, even when you're completely offline. 3 tools, 1 system. ChatGPT is your writer, it creates everything. Canva AI is your designer, 0 skills needed. Payhip is your store, it sells for you automatically. That's the whole blueprint. Tool 1, ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com. Free account, no credit card. Type any topic that beginners want to learn. ChatGPT writes a complete product brief in 30 seconds flat. Look at that, a complete 10-section guide, fully written in under 40 seconds. That's your digital product. No writing, no research, no experience. ChatGPT did everything. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub right now and hit that bell. Every week I drop a complete free AI system just like this one. You'll want every single one. Tool 2, Canva AI, free at canva.com. Click Magic Design. Paste your product title from ChatGPT. The AI generates a professional ebook cover, layout, and full design in under 10 seconds. Change the font color to your brand. Add your name. Hit download as PDF. In less than 10 minutes, you have a professional digital product that looks like a designer built it. Tool 3, Payhip.com, free forever plan. Upload your PDF, ChatGPT writes your 2-line product description in seconds. Set your price between $10 and $25, publish. Your product is now live on the internet. Anyone, anywhere in the world can find it and buy it right now. You are officially open for business. Took less than 20 minutes total. Traffic for free. Ask ChatGPT, write 5 Pinterest pin descriptions for a productivity ebook. Copy, paste onto Pinterest with your Payhip link. Pinterest sends buyers directly to your store. This is AI Leverage Hub, the only channel that gives complete beginners real AI systems, tested and ready to use. Subscribe now and turn on notifications. Every week counts. Here's the daily loop. ChatGPT creates 1 new product each week. Canva designs it in minutes. Payhip sells it around the clock. 1 loop, repeat every 7 days, income compounds every month. Week 1, 1 product. Week 4, 4 products. Each one selling while you sleep. $10 per day per product is $100 a day at 10 products. The system scales itself. The one mistake that kills every beginner, overthinking the first product. It does not need to be perfect. Launch it today. ChatGPT improves the next version. Action is the only strategy that works. Your plan right now. 7 minutes, ChatGPT writes your product. 8 minutes, Canva designs your cover. 5 minutes, Payhip store goes live. 20 minutes from now, you have a real business.
Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub right now. Hit the bell, because next week I'm revealing the 5 AI tools that are replacing full-time jobs and how beginners are using them first. 7 days. Don't miss it.